Hello students, today we will start the second topic of writing, that is advertisement. We have already discussed the first topic, that is notice writing. So first of all, we should know about what an advertisement is. So what is an advertisement? An advertisement is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspapers, magazines, televisions, radio, and cinema. It is a non personal, oral, or visual message regarding a product, a service, or an idea. So, you have seen so many advertisement. And what is the purpose of advertisement? An advertisement attracts immediate attention of the public. It is a very potent tool for promoting sales or services. It is used to influence the minds of tastes and even motives of the masses or the people. Remember, an advertisement is a play of words and it must be attractive to catch the eye of the readers. So, you know very well. So, an advertisement is a written communication, a written way of information that is to be displayed either in newspapers, magazines, televisions that attracts the mass or the people. If we have to make a difference between notice and advertisement, notice is a simple information only to give an information to the public, a particular department where the notice to be displayed. But the motive of or the purpose of advertisement is to attract the attention of the public for its own advantage. So this is the main difference between the advertisement and notice writing. So next we will discuss about how to write an advertisement. So firstly, types of advertisement, and there are two types of advertisement. First is classified and the next one is displayed. So what is classified? Classified advertisement is that advertisement that is written on the classified page of a newspaper. Do you know what classified pages are? If you have seen, in a particular newspaper there is a special page for the classified advertisements, and in that particular page, suppose this is the page, and here at the top that is written classified. So on a particular page, on the very top, word classifieds has been written, and all over the page in different columns there are different type of advertisements. Either it is for sale, either it is for purchase, to let, matrimonials, situation vacant, situation wanted. So they are always on a particular page, and what is the special about them? That they are short in size. They are short in size, and whatever you can give an example, that they also cost according to their small size, and also the money spent on them according to words, how many words you are giving. But in your syllabus, that's another thing, maximum word limit is only of 50 words. The next type is displayed or commercial. So as it is named as a displayed, so it will take more size than the particular classified, and it doesn't matter that on which page it should be displayed. It might be on the first page, it might be on last page, it might be in middle page, or it might any corner of the particular newspaper. But it's important that the cost of the displayed advertisement is according to size, how big size or on which particular page, first page, second page, that has been displayed, cost according to that. In classified, it cost according to the words, because they only go in the particular classified page. So that's the difference between classified and displayed advertisement. And now we will discuss about the classified. As you know very well that classified advertisements are asked 99%, and the 1% chances are always of displayed or commercial advertisements. So, classified advertisements. So, what are the main features? What will be the format of writing of these advertisements, classified advertisements? So, main features of classified first, they are categorized into columns according to different classes, as we have already discussed that there is one page and there are different categories according to different columns. So there are different columns like situation vacant, situation wanted, or to let, for sale, matrimonials, in that way. So they are categorized into columns according to different classes. The title of the particular category is stated at the top, and at first when we are writing, we will write the title of that particular category. If we are writing about situation vacant, then our title should be situation vacant. If we are writing about situation wanted, then our title will be situation wanted. Next one, short catchy phrases and words are used. When we are going to start, we can start with wanted, available, for sale, for purchase, any but what is important is that we should use only short and catchy phrases and words. We should not use the whole sentences. We should avoid the sentences, as we write in notice writing, but full sentences, and here we will avoid sentences. Instead of sentences, we should write only short and catchy phrases. That's important. We should only use, what are phrases? Phrases are group of words which give some meaning but not a complete meaning. If I say he's a good boy, so I can say good boy. So that's the particular group of words. It means someone is good. So that gives some meaning. If I say 25 years, so someone is of 25 years. The age that is demanded is 25 years, or 25 to 30 years. The full sentence is that age should be between 25 and 23 years, 30 years. So we should not write the sentence. Instead of sentence, we must use only catchy phrases or even words. If our meaning is clear with words, then we should only use words. If our meaning is clear with phrases, then phrases are sufficient, but phrases should be catchy. And even then, if it is not clear, then we can use even a small sentence, but not long sentences. Next one is language used is simple, factual, formal. Whatever type of language we are going to use, that should be very simple. Also factual, related to facts. It means we will have not to write so many informal things. Only formal in a formal way, to the point. Everything should be to the point. Like in the next feature, it has been given short. It should be written in very short size, as the word limit is 50 words, but even you can limit it in 25 to 30 words if it is possible, but all points should be included. So on an average, you can write 30 to 40 words maximum. That should be your word limit, so that your word because you will have to practice for 30 to 40 words, so that your word limit would not exceed by 40, as word limit is 50. Because you will have to also remember that classified ads also cost according to words. आपको वर्ड्स के पैसे लगते हैं, वर्ड्स को आपको क्या है, बिल्कुल लिमिट में रखना है. नेक्स्ट वन इज रेलिवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन इज प्रोवाइडेड, and you will have to also provide relevant information. What type of question has been asked, answer should be according to that particular information. Whatever the information is demanded, you will have to give answer. If it is situation wanted, then you will have to write only the things that is required into situation wanted. If sometimes some student do mistake, they also include the things of situation vacant or situation wanted in for sale and for purchase, or for sale or for purchase into two-layer. So you will have to first see the question properly, that what is asked in the question. So all these things should be written in the content. because actually there are only two things: no date, no name of newspaper, only their title at the top. At the top you will have to write the title. Don't write the word title, only write like situation wanted, in that way, situation and wanted, in that way. So that should be written, or situation one, vacant, to let, like that. And after that, when you have written their title, and at the left side from here you can start like wanted or anything else available, you will start from here. So that's the way to write the content. And whatever the content you are writing, you will have to also write address, that is contact name and address, that should be also in lines. लाइन के अंदर ही आपको लिखना अलग से, जैसे आप लेटर के अंदर, इन्विटेशन के अंदर आप अलग से एड्रेस लिखते हैं, इन दैट वे यू विल नॉट हैव टू राइट एड्रेस. Address should be written that is in content. It means in last you are saying that apply within week 2, the manager. So it means you will have to write it continuously in the sentence. So after that you will write contact and also the address. Next, whatever you have written, that should be also in a box. So these classified advertisement also written in a box to attract the attention. Actually not only advertisement but also notice writing, invitation and poster. So whatever the topic of 4 marks, that must be written where, and that must be written only within box. So the 4 marks question, whatever type of question is asked, that will be only written where, that is into box.